new Hidrive service bodies for Cola's field maintenance Hino truck fleet near Brisbane QLD. Cola's has upgraded its field maintenance Hino truck fleet with Hidrive service bodies near Brisbane QLD. Hidrive was chosen by Cola's to deliver fit-for-purpose solutions that meet its specific requirements. Hidrive has a strong track record of building custom truck service bodies according to the client's needs. The Hidrive service bodies for Cola's fleet feature a truck canopy design that maximizes the load security. Hidrive is a trusted manufacturer of service body canopies and accessories designed for various utility vehicles. Hidrive provides Australian companies with ute, trailer and truck service body canopies. To find out more, visit https://hidrive.com.au/case-studies/colas-field-maintenance-truck-fleet/.